Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
पहला क्वेश्चन है 1 टन ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेशन इज 3.518 किलोवाट 96.8 किलोवाट 10.25 किलोवाट 1.38 किलोवाट 1 ton of refrigeration equal to 3.51 kilowatt okay और 210 किलो जूल पर मिनट मिनट में आता है ये सेकंड पे आता है। क्वेश्चन 2 Bell-Coleman cycle is reversed Carnot cycle, reversed Rankine cycle, reversed Joule cycle. None of these. Bell-Coleman cycle is reversed Joule cycle or also called reverse Brighton cycle. Okay. A reverse Brighton cycle. Question 3. In SI unit, 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 1 ton of refrigeration equal to 210 joule per minute. Sorry, kilojoule per minute. Kilojoule per minute. Next देखो for question 4. Air refrigeration system operates on Carnot cycle, reversed Carnot cycle, Rankine cycle, Bell-Coleman cycle. Air refrigeration Bell-Coleman cycle. The next question is which of the following is true for the refrigeration cycle? It operates on radiation. It is based on combustion cycle. It uses cryogenic fuel. Work is done on the working fluid, compressing it. Work is done on working fluid, compressing it. The question number 6. If COP of Carnot refrigeration system is 2 and so to produce refrigerant effect of 5 kilowatt, find the work input. Okay, we know that COP of refrigerant equal to desired effect 5 kilowatt 5 by work input W in. So work input equal to COP 2 work input equal to 5 by 2 मतलब 2.5. Option B is the right answer. Question number 7. Which of the following is an example of a reversed Carnot cycle? Power generation cycle. Option B refrigeration cycle. Option C Rankine cycle. Diesel cycle. Option B refrigeration cycle. 1 ton of refrigeration impels heat transfer at the rate of 210 kilojoule per minute. This is the right. Option A is the right answer. सेकेंड में आएगा तो 3.5 किलो जूल पर सेकेंड और इसको वाट बदल सकते हैं किलोवाट 3.5 किलोवाट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 द हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर ड्यूरिंग द साइकिल in a vapor compression refrigeration system occurs after compression, condensation, evaporation, expansion। टीएस डायग्राम देखो वेपर कंप्रेशन साइकिल का ऐसा कुछ होता है ना ऐसा ओके 1 2 3 4 बोल रहा है क्या हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर कॉम्प्रेशन का आफ्टर आफ्टर बोला सो कॉम्प्रेशन होता है कॉम्प्रेशन का आफ्टर हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर है आफ्टर कॉम्प्रेशन टेन देखो एयर रेफ्रिजरेशन साइकिल इज यूज्ड इन द एरोप्लेन्स बिकॉज ऑफ हीट high heat transfer rate of air, higher COP, lower temperature attainable, lower weight of the machine per ton of refrigeration. Option D, lower weight of the machine per ton of refrigeration. Question number 11. In a vapor compression refrigeration cycle, heat is rejected by the refrigerant in compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator, condenser। तो टीएच डायग्राम देखोगे तो वेपर ड्रोम है, ऐसे है ना। सो बोल रहा है क्या, रेफ्रिजरेशन हीट रिजेक्टेड, हीट एक्सट्रैक्ट बाय इवेपोरेटर, हीट रिजेक्ट बाय कंडेंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। The bank of tubes at the back of the domestic refrigerator are A. Condenser tubes, B. Evaporator tubes, C. Refrigerant cooling tubes, capillary tubes। Option D, capillary tubes। 13. The ratio of the heat extracted from refrigerant to work supply is called coefficient of performance of heat pump, B. Coefficient of performance of refrigerator, C. Refrigeration efficiency, D. Relative coefficient of performance। COP of option B, coefficient of performance of refrigerator। 14 question, the vapor compression refrigeration employs the following cycle: Rankine cycle, B. Carnot cycle, C. Reversed Rankine cycle, D. Reversed Carnot cycle। Reversed Rankine cycle। Question number 15. In a 1-ton refrigerating machine means that A. 1 ton is the total mass of machine, B. 1 ton refrigerant is used, C. 1 ton of water can be converted into ice, D. 1 ton of ice when melts from and at 0 degrees centigrade in 24 hours, the refrigeration effect is equivalent to 210 kilojoule per minute। Option D, 1 ton of ice when melts from and at 0 degrees centigrade in 24 hours, the refrigeration effect is equivalent to 210 kilojoule per minute। Question number 16. The formation of the frost on cooling coils in a refrigerator. A. Increase heat transfer, improves COP of the system. C. Increase power consumption. D. Reduce power consumption. C. Increase power consumption and decrease heat transfer. Heat transfer decrease. Question number 17. The COP of the refrigerating machine is generally less than 1, equal to 1, more than 1, none of these, more than 1। COP of refrigerator equal to 1 plus COP of heat pump। देखो क्या है ना, COP ऑफ हीट पंप क्या होता है, COP ऑफ हीट पंप इक्वल टू 1 प्लस COP ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेंट। सो COP ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेंट इक्वल टू COP of heat pump minus 1, so greater than 1। Option C, more than 1। 18 number question, the expansion device in a domestic refrigerator, a vapor compression type is option A, an expansion valve, B, a hand operated valve, C, a thermostatic valve, D, capillary tube, D, capillary tube। 19 number question, in vapor compression refrigeration system, the states of the refrigerant after compression process is high pressure high temperature vapor, B high pressure low temperature vapor, C high pressure high temperature liquid, D high pressure low temperature liquid। High pressure high temperature vapor, option A। Question number 20, reversed Brayton cycle is identical with Rankine, B Bell-Coleman, C dual, D reversed Carnot, option B Bell-Coleman। Next देखो 21 number question, in a vapor compression cycle The refrigerant exists in a superheated vapor state. A. After passing through the condenser. B. After leaving the evaporator. C. At the exit of the compressor. D. After leaving the expansion valve. Option C. At the exit of the compressor. ग्राफ देखोगे तो पता चल जाएगा ग्राफ कैसा है टीएच डायग्राम का वेपर कंप्रेशन रेफ्रिजरेशन का ऐसा कुछ है ना ऐसा कुछ है ओके देखो वेपर जो सुपर हीटेड हो रहा है कंप्रेशन के बाद कंप्रेसर से एग्जिस्ट होने के बाद भी सुपर हीटेड हो रहा है ना ये कंप्रेसर है कंडेंसर है सॉरी ये इवेपोरेटर है कंडेंसर है कंप्रेसर है थ्रॉटलिंग डिवाइस है कैपिलरी ट्यूब Question number 22. The ideal gas refrigeration cycle is similarly to the option A. Rankine cycle, option B. Reversed Brayton cycle, option C. Dual cycle, option D. Stirling cycle. Gas refrigeration is option B. Reversed Brayton cycle. Question number 23. The suction pipe diameter of the refrigerating unit compressor in compression to delivery side is bigger, B. Smaller, C. Equal, D. None of these. क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ना ठीक है द सक्शन पाइप डायमीटर ऑफ द रेफ्रिजरेटिंग यूनिट कंप्रेसर इन कंप्रेशन टू डिलीवरी पाइप कंप्रेशन होने के लिए आउटर बिगर होना चाहिए इनर स्मॉल होना चाहिए तब का जाके तो कंप्रेस होगा ना यार सो सक्शन पाइप इज बिगर देन द डिलीवरी पाइप बिगर ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट Question number 24. The effect of reducing the evaporator pressure on a simple vapor compression refrigeration cycle is A. The temperature in condenser is increased. B. The expansion divides from isenthalpic. C. Compression work requires is reduced. D. There is a reduction in the refrigeration effect. Option D. There is a reduction of refrigeration effect. Question number 25. Oil separator in a refrigeration cycle is installed A. Before compressor. B. Between condenser and evaporator. C. Between compressor and condenser. D. Between condenser and expansion valve. Option D. Between condenser and expansion valve. 1 to 25 क्वेश्चन हुआ अभी भी बहुत क्वेश्चन बाकी है और ऐसे ही ऑल सब्जेक्ट के लिए प्ले लिस्ट चेक करो देखना सबका जो एमसीक्यू है मिल जाएगा थैंक यू